Uh-oh. Gross. Gross. There's so many now. Little tiny long ones. Ooh, that gave me chills. I've seen videos of that too. I don't know why they do that.
What do you think
Maybe
of
for
the
warmth.
wallpaper?
Ooh, they give me chills.
No, these animals used to taunt me to sleep when I was a little kid. Look at the zebras, see? I have these fascination for the zebras.
Hey!
Oh my god, I hope he's not going to be the first. Oh god, easy prey. Just ignore him. Come on, guys. I would have stuck by you. I would have helped you. Kim would too.